Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Midjourney for prompt automation with Discord bots step by step clearly. To activate Midjourney for prompt automation with Discord bots, begin by ensuring you have a Discord account. Next, log into your Discord account and locate the server where you want to add the Midjourney bot. If you don't have a server, create a new server by clicking the plus icon on the left sidebar. Once your server is ready, visit the Midjourney website to access the bot. Click on the Join the Beta button to accept the terms and gain access to their Discord server. After joining, check your email for a verification link from Midjourney. Once verified, return to Discord and navigate to the Midjourney server. Locate a bot channel, usually labeled as #newbies or something similar. Now locate the bot in the members list and click the Add to Server option. Select your server from the drop-down menu and grant the necessary permissions. After successfully adding the bot, switch back to your server. To interact with the bot, type a command in the chat box, starting with /imagine. Enter your prompt following the command. The Midjourney bot will begin processing your request and generate images based on your prompt. When the images are ready, the bot will send them back in the channel. To enable automation, proceed to set up a Discord bot that will manage prompts. Visit the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Once created, navigate to the Bot tab and click Add Bot. Copy the bot token provided for later use. Next, set up a hosting service for your bot, such as Replace.it or Heroku. In your hosting environment, install the necessary libraries for Discord bot development. Use the token you copied earlier to authenticate your bot in the code. Create a function that listens for commands directed to the bot. Program the bot to respond with the Midjourney command when it receives specific keywords. Test the bot in your Discord server to ensure it's responding as expected. Once confirmed, you can fine-tune the automation further according to your needs. This setup will streamline your image generation process with Midjourney. Now, you are ready to explore the creative possibilities with your automated Midjourney prompts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.